So guys, I'm going to show you how to get Google Chrome for your MacBook. So this is pretty simple. First go to Safari. Go to google.com. Search for Chrome. So search result, Google Chrome browser, press this. The site is google.com/Chrome. Press on download Chrome. Press allow. So you see it's going to download. So you may see it, but if not, press this down arrow. Show downloads. Double click this. So you're going to click and drag the Chrome logo to the Applications folder. Just hold one finger on the trackpad, drag with the other. Let go. Copying over. Copied over. So from here you can go and close out. Press on search in top right. Search for Chrome. Press on open. Yep, there you have it. You also should see the icon at the bottom. Press on sign in. Okay guys, thanks for watching.